Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Forza Horizon 5 on your phone. Forza Horizon 5 is a fantastic open-world racing game, but it's designed for consoles and PCs, not native mobile play. The good news is you can still enjoy it on your phone through cloud gaming. This technology streams the game from powerful servers directly to your device, letting you play anywhere with a good internet connection. To get started, you will need an active Xbox Game Pass Ultimate subscription. To ensure a smooth experience, several key items are required. First, a stable internet connection is crucial. Aim for 5 GHz Wi-Fi or a robust mobile data connection to minimize lag. Second, a compatible Bluetooth controller is essential, as touch controls are not supported for Forza Horizon 5 cloud gaming. Finally, download the Xbox Game Pass app from your phone's App Store, available for both iOS and Android devices. Once you have your subscription and the app, connecting everything is straightforward. First, pair your Bluetooth controller with your phone via your device's settings, just like any other accessory. Next, open the Xbox Game Pass app and sign in with the Microsoft account that holds your Game Pass Ultimate subscription. From there, simply navigate to the game library, select Forza Horizon 5, and you can start streaming the game directly to your phone. For the best possible Forza Horizon 5 experience on your phone, consider these tips. Always ensure your phone is fully charged or connected to a power source, as streaming can consume battery quickly. Play in an area with minimal Wi-Fi interference to maintain a consistent and high-quality stream. Lastly, using headphones can significantly enhance your immersion, allowing you to fully appreciate the game's rich audio and engine sounds. Enjoy the open road.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.